Hey guys, it's me, Fuzz Bunny. Today I'm outside, just because we're gonna be doing something quite special. Hold on. I have a messy table that I do like these fun things on. And it was mine when I was a kid, so my legs are too big. But anyways, we are gonna be cutting open 3 squishies, and we're gonna see how they feel. So to do this, you're going to need the squishies that you want to cut. Well, please don't just cut your squishies. Only cut the ones that you're done with. You need scissors. And you need some gloves. So yeah. Squirrels have been fighting so much. Okay, so I'm just put on these gloves. I'm wearing gloves just because, squirrels are freaking me out. Just because you never know if they're not going to come out your hand. So first I'm going to cut open my least favorite. This is this one. It's too hard for me. I only bought it for $1 2 years ago. I'm surprised it's even so heavy, but I hate the texture. So let's cut it. Oh, I'm scared. We're going back. Ooh, look at this squishy gut. This stuff feels like slime. It's not. Oh, I just jinxed it. It's sticky, all right. Ew. Come on off. Don't break my scissors. Or don't break my gloves, because these are gloves that I have to wear into video. Oh. Let's just take off the wrapping and see what it's like. I like wearing gloves just because I'm somebody who forgets a lot. So if I just walk in and I have squishy guts on, I'm gonna forget. And then if I eat, it's gonna be toxic. Whoa, this actually feels like slime. We're gonna see if it's slime after adding these two with it, but wait, where's the camera? That's a good consistency. Oh wait. I always jinx it, bro. I'm lucky this isn't my real fingers. Yeah, I'm lucky that I actually luckily my dad always has gloves, because my dad's somebody who uses lots of messy things. So I'm lucky he had gloves. Next up, just listen. That was a weird noise. Next, this guy is actually popped already. Just a little bit. This one I've had for 5 years. So the stuff inside is already expired. So let's just see if it has. This is a Neato. I don't know why Neatos are so popular. I mean, they're one, number one. Oh yeah, that's expired. All right, it's expired. Ugh, ew. Yeah, no wonder. Let's add it into the. Oh no, it's actually stuck on the. I'm surprised this isn't a Neato. When I bought it, it just came Okay, this feels weird. It's definitely more slippery now. I've opened up 5 squishies with my normal hands, but you know, today I was just like, I'm gonna open a squishy up and record this. Well, these noises. I get scared by hearing any noises outside, especially when I'm alone. Oh, yes. Look at that. Oh, hi, Luce. That's my dog. Yeah, but this definitely is now like more of a slime consistency. Ooh, guys, let's see how satisfying this thing makes noise. Do you hear that? I don't know if you could hear that. But it's satisfying. And then after, I'm just gonna put it back in here and see if it's still gonna feel the same. My mom was like, no, and I was like, why can't I? And she was like, because it makes like too big of a mess. I mean, I get it. It does make quite big of a mess, but like, then I was like, what if I do it outside on like the messy bench? And she's like, no, that's okay. Yeah, it's not as hard anymore, and it's probably still pretty sticky. Let's see. Oh wait, it's not. Okay, that's a good sign. So we're actually getting somewhere. But this last one is like my favorite one, but luckily I have 2, but they're both in the different colors. So, you know, I just picked the one with my least favorite color combination. This one, it has a really satisfying texture. But I have like 10 squishies that have the same consistency. So should I like cut its head like that? Oh no. Should I cut its head? Like, okay, I'm cutting its head off. I've just been seeing so many viral videos of people like cutting their squishies. So it's like, I should just do that because I am like, whoa. This consistency actually, like, sticky, but it feels good. Like, oh, it's sticky, all right. I was like scared it was gonna get on my pants because these are the pants I'm wearing today are like my favorite. Oh no, my mask. Okay, let's add it in to the slime consistency. Ugh. Ooh, okay. That got some. I like. Ooh. That's a nice consistency. Like, I like it. Oh yes, that is a good consistency. And maybe in the next video, I'm actually gonna add things in, and hopefully it turns into slime. But I said maybe, okay guys, it's not for sure. Okay, next, what? It's gonna be the same stuff that comes out of the head. Ooh, look at that. What? That's so satisfying. Oh my god. Luckily this isn't a YouTube short, because if this was a YouTube short, I would not be able to explain it. I would just be cutting it open. Usually the videos are YouTube shorts, but you know, when you want like to actually explain what they were, yeah, you can't do YouTube shorts. What? That's like satisfying. Ooh. Oh, look at my fingers. Oh no. Okay. Oh, it's starting to stick, all right. There we go. That's okay, I guess. Like, no, there's still stuff in, so I'm just gonna cut the head right in half. But these scissors are probably gonna be my scissors now, because my parents aren't gonna like it. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. Oh. Oh. Oh, no. Wait. Freaking hands suck. If you're a kid, never try this at home. Because it's like, first of all, a waste of money. I actually use these. So my parents gave me the okay, because like actually my gloves have started to fall off. Wow. Oh, okay. Whatever. Let's just split it in half. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, there we go. The squishy guts in here feels pretty nice. They're nice to play with and stuff. Just definitely not nice to like play with your real hands. You should always wear gloves when you're cutting open a squishy, but if your squishy pops, don't keep on squishing it. Unless if it's like a water squishy, then it's okay. But like, ugh. Satisfying. Wow. Okay. Okay, this actually, let me read it. Let me just feel it. If this was like not squishy, I would rate, not sticky, because like, as you could tell, it's really sticky. Rate it like, I don't know, that's a hard one. Maybe like a, maybe a 8. No, not an 8, that's too high. Maybe a 6.5 and a half. Oh shoot. I'm gonna have to wear these gloves to go back inside to put them in the garbage. Like, oh no. Some of it got on my hand. Okay, bye guys.